Hey guys, this is D4. So, Black Friday and Cyber Monday is just passed. In this video, we'll be unboxing those techs, all of the stuff that I bought during Black Friday and Cyber Monday. Let's start. So as you can see here, there are a lot of boxes here that I bought from mostly Amazon. This one, these two are from B&H, so I'm gonna open this last one because this is the best one out of the others. So I don't know what to start actually. Maybe just like I'll just open this one since you guys already know what it is basically. Let me get this. Okay, so what we have here, it has, what do you call it? But well, I call it a flap. So where you can see the mouse here, and this is the MX Anywhere 2S from Logitech. It's a small version of the MX Master 2S that I have here. The reason why I bought this was because this one is kind of big for me to carry, even though it's nice, it's really nice. I don't think that I'm gonna be bringing this a lot because it might occupy a lot of stuff. So, let's start. Oh, I have to cut the sides. Almost cut myself. Okay, that was pretty hard. So here we have the mouse. It's pretty small. Yeah, it really fits the palm of my hand. Like really easy to carry. It's lightweight, a bit more lightweight than the MX Master 2S. And here you have the USB receiver. It's sad that, well, I don't know if they actually, yeah, sadly they don't have a compartment for the USB receiver, so basically you have to put this in a separate place and make sure that you don't lose it at all, because that's what almost happened to me with my MX Master 2 with my MX Master 2S. So here it is the mouse, and then under here we have the cable. It's still micro USB to USB-A, and here we have the manual. It's in plastic, so yeah. Basically that's it. This is the mouse that I'll be using mostly during my travel because it's easy to carry, it's small, it doesn't really bother you, and it has the same software as what you would use in the MX Master 2S. You can use this with multiple computers. You can drag the cursor from a different monitor to a different monitor, and work with two different laptops. I mean, that's sometimes what I do when I need to transfer some files, because some files, sometimes I would carry the small one, but then I need to do it in my bigger laptop, so it helps a lot. Next one is this one. It's already open because I opened it a bit, but also because it doesn't have the tape. And how do I do this? Wait. Hopefully, oh no, I'm doing it wrong, oh no. So, sorry guys. Here we go. Oh no, not this paper. Yes, guys, it's another Logitech product here. It's another keyboard that I bought. It's a Bluetooth keyboard, and apparently the back flap or the battery is open. Let me just take it out. Put this on. Yeah, so here it is. It's a Bluetooth keyboard, and you can use it basically on your PC, your laptop, your iPad, your phone. Yeah, you could use this, and I bought this because I needed a smaller version of my keyboard, the Bluetooth keyboard, and I'm most likely gonna be using this for my iPad. And yeah, you can connect up to 3 devices, and then you can connect to PC or Mac, and it has the buttons for both Mac and Windows. It's kind of noisy, but I like it. Yeah, it has all of those media players, and this is something that I would probably bring for like every time I want to type on my iPad. The battery that you would use would be triple A's, 2 triple A's. And to turn it, and the power button here would be at the back. Compared to the K780, if I'm not mistaken, it's pretty heavy with that one because of the rubber and all, but this one is plastic, and to be honest, I'm not sure what that material is, but this one feels lightweight, lighter than the K780. Okay, what should I open next? Because this is the most confusing part. I'm just gonna go for it. Here, I bought some stuff from Amazon. One of them, I bought it for my mom because she wants me to buy it for her and it's cheaper here. Yeah, these are my mom's. So, okay, so here is my screen protector and my case. So I'm just gonna put this down here first because it'll be later for the end. This is a screen protector for my phone because apparently some of you might know, but my Samsung Note 8 screen protector is all cracked and I've been meaning to change it for a while, you know, to protect my screen from having a crack. But good thing that I have my screen protector, and it's a tempered glass. It has, I am not sure how they would what this means actually. It's 9H. It has a super hardness, explosion proof, anti-oil coating. It protects your eyes, and it's from Alfred. I don't know. It just says glass protection screen Alfred anti-violet. Anyways, yeah, I'm gonna be applying this to my phone later. Alright, so for the last 2 boxes, I'll probably do it roughly the same time, but not sure how. Gonna do it anyway. So this is something that I bought from B&H. I've been meaning to get this. This is what everyone's been talking about, and I'm pretty sure that you guys would like it, I guess. Some of you might not like it, some of you may, but this is the most expensive out of all the packages that I bought, out of all the items that I bought. Okay. It's an iPad Pro. Yeah, it's so beautiful, to be honest. Oh my gosh. I really like their design. I mean, with the improvement of the Apple Pencil, I've been meaning to buy the previous iPad Pro, but then I'm like, maybe I should just wait, and I did wait, and this was totally worth the wait. So what I got was the 64 gigs, 11-inch iPad Pro. It's a space gray, and let's just open this first. I'm pretty sure you guys know after this one. It's the Apple Pencil. And some of you may know that the Apple Pencil, the 2nd generation Apple Pencil, doesn't work with the previous iPad Pro, and the previous iPad Pro doesn't work with this new iPad Pro. So if you want to get the new iPad Pro, which is this one, you have to buy a new Apple Pencil. But apparently I watched some YouTube videos that the previous Apple Pencil works like on the magnet, like it sticks to the iPad Pro for some reason. And truth be told, that it's been 2 years that I haven't unboxed any Apple product, so this is the first time after 2 years that I'll be unboxing an Apple product. Oh no! I ruined it. So here we have the 11-inch iPad. I'm just gonna put it aside first. Inside you have the book, normally what you get after buying the Apple product. So you have the manual. Yeah, here are the manuals. Yeah, I don't know what this is. Here it is. I thought I didn't get it, but... And the Apple stickers. To be honest, I really wanted it like the space gray Apple logo, so I can just like put it behind the iPad Pro, but oh well. And here you have the charging brick and the USB-C cable. So what you guys might have heard from other YouTubers or any other people, that the iPad Pro now can charge your phone or any other USB Type-C tech that you want. But sadly, it can't. You can't use your hard drive. You can't transfer files from your hard drive that uses USB-C. So yeah, let's open this. And this is the casing that I bought for my iPad Pro. Yeah, I didn't bought it from Apple because they have the keyboard, and I didn't really want to buy the Apple keyboard because it was expensive, and I'll probably just use this mostly for drawing and like reading, not really typing a lot. But maybe in the future I will, but mostly I'll probably just use my Logitech keyboard for it. And yeah, so this is the case. It has the logo here, and as you can see, there's a big camera bump. Huge bump there. And this is the lock button, yeah. And then you have the 2 volume buttons here, and you have 4 speakers on the sides. And then here's where you're gonna be attaching the Apple Pencil. And then you have the USB-C charger. Okay, so with that, I'm gonna try putting on the case. Okay, this is hard. Okay. This is the first time that I'm seeing this. Hopefully it fits. Yeah, fits well. When I was putting this on, I accidentally turned it on. I'm gonna set this up later because I want to unbox the Apple Pencil first. Okay. I don't know if I'm doing this right, guys. Here you have the papers again. There's a lot. And here it is. The Apple Pencil. Now I've tried this in the Apple store like a couple of days ago. It's not that heavy compared to the previous Apple Pencil, I think. Let's put it here. Yeah, it sticks. So yes, I'll be bringing this for my everyday tech. I want to see how it goes. Let's set up the iPad Pro. Quick start setup. Okay, so it's taking quite a while for me to set up my iPad because I haven't used Apple for 2 years, probably my previous iPad, which is the iPad Mini 4. And yeah, I've been meaning to upgrade that. Oh wait. Okay, so actually my iPad just got set up. So here it is. So smooth. Yeah, so I'm gonna be using this to do my personal project that I'm working on, and yeah, hopefully that goes well. Alright, so basically that is it for today's video. These are all the stuff that I bought during Black Friday and Cyber Monday. Actually, there are more, but they're coming in like next week or by the time this video comes up. Let me know in the comments if you want to see those videos, and if you guys liked it, don't forget to give a thumbs up. And click on the subscribe button if you want to see more videos like this. This is D4, and I'll see you guys later.